Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a payment on your Capital One credit card. So if you've been wondering how to do that, this video is for you. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get that done. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Capital One account. You can log in on the website through your computer, or you can log in on the mobile app if you have that on your mobile device. Next, you just want to click on the make a payment button, and that's going to start the payment process. Once you're there, you want to enter the payment information, including the payment amount and the payment date. Now you just got to choose the payment method, and that could be a bank transfer or a debit card. So just go with the one that you want to use, and once that's done, review and confirm the payment details just to make sure everything is accurate and you don't have any wrong information. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a payment on your Capital One credit card. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.